That is the smoothest.
God.
How smooth is that? I don't think the first shot was a full one.
Yeah, the first one's not. I don't know why.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Once I turn it back up, always a pooper. Always a poop shot.
It's like half air.
Yeah.
I'm like, okay. Alright, it's ready to roll.
I know y'all do. I know y'all want it. The team of half and half.
Huh?
Split our teams in half.
Ah.
No, I don't want to do this. Are we doing 4 teams? No.
We just played this be crazy.
Guys, elimination, we're just splitting up 2 groups, okay? That's all. Same thing, elimination, that's it. We're gonna get half the team. You want to start behind the castle right here on this side. Your other...
You gotta take control of the split. No
there you go. Okay, I'll split it up for you guys. Half your other team is gonna start behind that tower right there.
Huh?
Half your team's gonna start in this corner, right here in that corner. That tower corner. Your other half is gonna start on the other tower corner.
We're still on the same team. We're just starting off.
What? Here?
So there is that.
Get out of this one. Oh yeah, you gotta make it a little bit tougher there, then you don't get on that side. Right here, that's good.
I want to roll with Sean, but if I do, then we're gonna need to send at least 2 of y'all that way.
Where are they? Are they all down that end?
Yeah.
And we got guys back there.
I better go with them. We're gonna be outnumbered.
How in the hell are we gonna do this one?
So they're in that corner and that corner. Yeah, I guess we've got to hold down this side, and someone's got to look. I can see them, so someone's gonna stay here.
Okay.
Fucking hold them down.
Alright.
Can we go? Yes, you can. But there's a stairway. All the stairways on the other side, so we've got to stop and get into them. Right. So we're gonna have to swing in on there, Martin.
But there's a group over here. On the other side of this building.
We're gonna have to fucking.
Whew. Alright.
In this corner.
Our guys are over there, and then their guys over here. Hey, their guys over there. Their guys, they have a group over here. They have a set of guys over here, don't they? Oh. Okay. Damn it. Woo! Woo! Ah! Fuck! Who was watching that guy? Ow! You might want to catch that guy. That hurt. Woo! That was fun. Dude, that is different. That's a good twist. Caught me off guard.
Yeah, my brother. Yeah. First game.
That was tough on you guys, I'm not gonna lie. That was actually tough.
Well, I don't even see how he ran out there.
Yeah, either
I thought I...
they went right when they got in the lead.
Yeah. Damn. That was good. That's nice. No, we gotta watch that guy. He's fast. He really is. He's fast. He's really
Man,
fast.
I may have launched a couple your way, I'm sorry. But there was people shooting me in the back and I thought it was you.
Yeah.
They didn't bust though. You got a hit on me.
Right there. It's kind of like in between the...
I asked you.
Huh?
Right there, that was y'all deep, that was y'all
Defense right there, right? Y'all were.
Oh yeah? How can you defense that though? I mean, that is wow.
Net player.
No, he's not out. You're not out. It's like put it right on the face.
Dude, that guy got hit on the pod. See how we hit it? Hey, show me your back.
Nah, he can't.
No, he's out.
I know, but we can't do anything. Let's go tell
Hey,
him.
you're hit. You're hit, man, on the pod. On the pod pack. Get cramps. Paint check. That guy's hit. On his back. Check his pod. I got him last time.
I found the shit out that guy. I knew that dude was that.
Yeah, I called him.
I knew I shot you somewhere.
Doing that all day.
It's alright.
That G-Tech was shooting fire. And you got me good. Yeah, I thought our team was on this side, but my team was on this side. You got me twice. What's shot? What's shot?
Yeah.
No, I said you got me twice today. I had to get you.
Arm's not out.
Arm's not out. Woo!
Last time I got lit up and I was like, what the fuck? You can shoot under, you just can't go over it. I'll tell you to move, I'll tell you to move, because I told him.
Oh. Oh, I know. Yeah. No, that's tough.
No, I know.
Oh. Woo!
Yeah, he shot me in my arm.
Yeah, I got hit with that yellow stuff though.
Yeah.
And that's through clothing.
Who had the green paint? Who came and lit us up?
Drew the green shirt. He ran all over. He's fast.
He was on that tree. Y'all were
Yeah.
right there.
Yeah. He's fast.
That was quick.
I was trying to reload.